Hi guys, so today we're going to do a Mavic 2 range test, a Mavic Air 2 range test. It's right here. I'm fly towards that direction. Actually, the weather today is really good for that such a thing. So, except some wind, there is some wind. But yeah, we're gonna just fly this way. So, yeah, let's go. Let's see how much can it go. Watch it connect, and we are set to go. Connected. We are on 100% battery. Let's go.
Take off.
No satellites yet, but we can still go.
The home point has been updated. Please
Home
check
point,
it on the map.
we're gonna need that for sure. Okay. So let's start recording. We are on 54 kilometers per hour, which is not the most. I did get to 68, like when there's no wind at all, just full throttle forward, just usually 68 kilometers per hour. But yeah, now it's good, it's fine. We're gonna get far, but the question is how much. Yeah, okay. 1 kilometer away. So we got 1 kilometer with 9% of the battery. So we're supposed to be able to get to something like 4.5 kilometers, maybe more. We'll see. I think the recording does take some of the battery percentage, so. Okay, 3 kilometers, let's go. Okay, we are at 4 kilometers. Yeah. I would reach something like 55.
Battery level is low.
Well,
the aircraft will
I think
get to
that's
the
it.
home point in 10 seconds.
So, with a bit of wind, we got to 4.2 kilometers, which is not bad. Not bad again. I did get to 5, but there was no wind, and the battery was like the drone wasn't struggling as now. But yeah, I'm now try to go back. Let's move to sport mode and start heading back. Oh, here we are. Let's go back to normal mode and head back. Yeah, let's go. So we got let's land it over here.
Landing.
Yeah, okay. So we got to 4.2 kilometers away, which is not bad at all. In this city you can get only something like 2 with my experience. I tried. I got only 2. Okay guys, so that was it. That's the Mavic Air 2 range test. Hope you had a fun time, and see you next vid.